High protein foods are foods that are high in protein, including meat, fish, dairy products, eggs, and some of the plant-based foods, which are legumes, so beans and lentils, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, tofu, edamame beans, and tempeh. So the recommended dietary allowance, the RDA for protein, is about zero point 0.8 grams per kilogram per day based on your body weight. But this can be very individualized based on your activity level and your nutrition goals. Protein are very important because it is made out of amino acids, and some of them are essential, which means that we have to get them through diet. Our body doesn't produce them. High protein foods are also usually very high in other nutrients, including B vitamins, zinc, and magnesium. And they're very important for maintaining overall health, including bone health, maintaining and repairing your muscles, helping with weight management because protein foods help us feel fuller longer, as well as it takes a little bit more energy to digest protein than carbohydrate and fat. So it can help with your metabolism as well.